Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the old diesel. The 6.5 liter Detroit diesel C2500 project is coming back. Hopefully you guys are excited to see that. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. Before we get on with what we're doing today, actually, I'll give you guys a little bit of an update that happened with this truck. Brand new headlights, blinkers, grill, all that. I just need to get the little piece down here below. It wasn't too much information that I didn't feel like I actually needed to make a full video on it. And also, this is my work truck, so I'm just trying to get everything done as fast as possible on this thing. So taking videos also at about twice the amount of time that it would normally take. I also replaced all the tie rod ends and the pitman arm and everything underneath the vehicle for steering, basically, so it rides way better. Finally got this thing aligned. My wheel is somewhat straight, so just great on that. All right, so let's hop inside the truck and we're going to do some interior mods, as you guys probably know from the title of the video. Sadly, these seats are messed up. I wish we were doing that today, but that's for a different time, and so is the carpet. Today we're going to work on the roof. Not really the roof, the ceiling. Anyways, we're going to rip all this stuff out here. This is so freaking nasty. This, when you try to pull it down, it like has a bunch of crap that just falls on you, especially when you're trying to sit here eating like your sheets cheeseburger on your lap and all this dusty, flaky, disgusting crap falls on you. I think it's just like this foam is getting so old, see, it's just like deteriorating, and it's disgusting. I'm trying not to inhale it right now, but yeah, so let's try and rip all this headliner out and let's redo it. So to start doing all this headliner, what we're going to do is take out the 3 Phillips head screws on each side of these sun visors and take these suckers out. All right, well, that was absolutely disgusting. Look at these things. These are so gross. Maybe I'll try to wrap these things up too. I actually looked at these for brand new and they're like hella expensive, way more than I thought. Anyways, I'm gonna try to clean these up and maybe I'll do like the same wrap that we're gonna do the headliner in. I have no idea what we're gonna do for the headliner yet. I'm gonna just go to like probably Wally World and go and find some fabric to put up there. Anyways, next thing to do is I'm gonna pop out that little light in there and take out the screws and try to take this thing out. And I think I'm gonna have to take out some of these side panels too, but we'll see. So this little Torx bit on the seatbelt needs to come off, so then we can remove our seatbelt out of the way, because we're going to take out this plastic trim. As I can see up here, this kind of folds over top of it, and I can't really take it out until I get this trim removed. And also I'm going to try to do the trim that goes up and around here and take that off, so then this thing can just pull out. Alrighty, so here is our disgusting headliner. Like, even if I put my fingers on there, it just like stays. Anyways, we're gonna try and peel all this back, and then we'll go find some, we're gonna get some spray glue. I think the 3M one is like a professional grade spray glue, and I'm gonna try that. We're not gonna use some like Elmer's like freaking glue sticks, alright? We're gonna try to do it somewhat correct. Also, the things I had to take out, like I said, this thing, all I had to do was pull it forward a little bit, and this trim piece right here on the door seal here, it wasn't too bad. All of the only thing that was like holding it in are a few clips up top, but also this door handle. Some of them don't have door handles. If you don't have a door handle, great, but anyways, these are 2 10mm bolts. I had to take that off, and then it just pops right out. Alrighty, this is like absolute garbage, but I can still reuse it. This little piece here actually fell off in the corner. It's just like so thin, like super thin, not like normal headliner. But anyways, I can still work with it. Probably should get a new one. Doesn't matter, it's just a work truck. Funny, I found like a footprint right here. I don't know why, but anyways, let's get to replacing that. Alrighty guys, we got our fabric that we're going to be using here. It's not really meant for cars, but it will do the job. So what we're going to do is cut this to size, and then we can start laying down our glue. Okay, so this is about the length that we're going to work with. I'm going to fold and tuck all this stuff underneath. But before I even start actually laying any glue down or anything, I'm going to iron all this out, get all these wrinkles out, because I know once I try to smooth everything out and it's like on the glue, I know I'll see these lines and then I'll hate myself that I didn't just iron it out. Yeah, I'm going to go iron this. Alrighty, that looks much better to work with. So let's go get the glue and everything put onto here. I'm gonna put glue on the actual thing and also on the back side of the fabric. Nice and laid out. Not the bestest job. It's definitely way better. Like this corner over here is a little bit messed up with these little ripples in it. I just don't think I had enough glue there. But anyways, it's pretty darn good. All right, it's good enough. It's way good for the truck. Okay, way better. So now let's go and take this up to the truck. By the way, I cut in the 2 little holes for the sun visor mounts. Anyways, let's go take her up. Headliner is all put in all the other plastics and everything, put into the handle. Yeah, pretty much got this whole thing like already and done. Next thing we gotta do is clean these up. I'm just gonna try to clean it up as much as possible. I'm not as good at wrapping this headliner as I thought it would be. I suck, actually. But anyways, definitely like 10 times better than what it was. But like this is annoying. I'm not the best at it. Anyways, let me try and clean this up and see how much I can clean up. At least if I scrub it deep enough, I won't have a bunch of crap like fall on me whenever I touch it. So let's see where it goes.
Few moments later.
That didn't work out too well. Pretty sure it's gonna happen worse on that one. This fabric is like hella thin. As you can see, it just is falling apart. So basically I'm gonna take off this fabric and see what I can do. Alrighty guys, got this all pretty much put together. Yeah, so I decided just to leave it bare. It doesn't look the best, but it actually looks better than what it was before. I don't really know what I can do with this. It was just cardboard around this, and this is just cork. I have no idea why these are so expensive. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the junkyard and grab some. I don't know yet. But speaking of junkyard, I would like to get a seat. I don't know if I want to get buckets or another bench seat like this. I would really like to get buckets, but I don't know what kind I would want. Like, I thought about maybe doing like a Denali seat. That would be really nice. Even though this is just the work truck and it's nothing special, but I would like to make it really nice. I mean, the roof isn't really nice, but who's looking at it anyways? Although it looks way better than it was before. This thing is slowly coming together. Alrighty guys, in the truck here. Sadly it started raining a little bit, so I hopped right in. Gonna do the outro for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm making it to the end, so make sure you give that video a big old thumbs up if you liked it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button for more. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want me to do next. See you guys next video.